everyone. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 17, Geometrical Construction. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to construct with the help of protractor, ruler, scale, all these instruments we are going to use for this geometrical construction. Now we are going to learn what is perpendicular. Now what is perpendicular? You can see in this figure there is a line L and line M. See, you can see here in this figure there is a line L and line M. Now here line M intersect at point. Now this line is intersecting at point N. This line is intersecting at point M and measures every angle formed at the point N. And the measures of every angle which are going to be formed is at the point N. Now here if an angle between line L and line M is a right angle. You can see over here this is going to form, and here is a symbol of right angle. If it is forming a symbol of right angle, we say that the line are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. This is written as line L perpendicular to line M. See this line, this is the symbol of perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. So we can say that line L, I will show you, wait. Okay. Line L. Now this line L is perpendicular to line M. And the symbol we're going to use is the symbol of this. This is the symbol of perpendicular. You're not going to write the spelling of perpendicular. You will write the symbol of perpendicular. It is read as, now how we are going to read? Line L is perpendicular to line M. How you are going to read? Line L perpendicular to line M. Is it clear how you are going to write this thing? You are going to write line L is perpendicular to line M. Now we will start with the construction, and how you are going to construct all the things you can see over here. Now practice set 39. In this practice set, you're going to use, I will show you what you're going to use. You're going to use scale, set square, protractor, compass. All this material you're going to use it. This is compass, this is protractor, this is set square, and this is also another set square, and this is scale. Now first question of practice set 39. Here draw line L, take any point P on the line using a set square. Draw a line perpendicular to line L at a point P. At a point P. See, first what you have to do, you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line and the name of that line should be L. Then you have to take any point P on the line. उसी line पे आपको P लेना है किधर भी. Then using a set square, you have to draw a perpendicular line that is from line L at the point P. Now I will show you how you are going to construct it. With the help of scale, first, there is no measurement is given, so you are not going to measure anything. Here you are going to construct a line. Here you are going to construct a line. The name of the line should be L. Take any point at P. I have taken here a point P. With the help of this set square, you are going to keep over here at the point P. Draw a line. It is showing as a right angle, so show it as a right angle. Then you have to name this line as a Q. Is it clear? Once again I will explain. You have to draw one line, that is line L. Take any point at line L. So P, I have taken a point on the line. Then you have to use your set square. You have to draw a line. Name of that line should be Q. So here we have made a line, that is line L. This line L is perpendicular to line P. Line L. So what you will write? Line L perpendicular to line P. This way you are going to write. Now next sum, third one, you have to draw a line CD. See, you have to draw a line CD. Then you have to take any point M on the line. On that same line, you have to take any point M. Then using a protractor, you have to draw a line perpendicular to CD at the point M. At the point M. Now I am going to show you how you are going to construct it. See, this is your protractor. They have told us you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line. See, measurement is not given. Name of that line was CD. Then take a point. You have to take any point at M. I have taken here as a point M. Then with the help of protractor, you have to keep. See, I told in the previous lecture also we have done, this is the line and here is the middle line. So this middle line you will keep on M. Here I have kept M and that line and our line should match. So here the line we are going to draw, that should match, and in the middle. So where is 90-degree? There you have to put one point because it is a right angle triangle. So you have to use 90 degrees. So I have put it a point. Then you have to draw Just wait a minute. Properly you have to take 90°. Then you have to draw a line. This is also 90°. So here line M is perpendicular to segment CD. Line M is perpendicular to CD. So here also you have to give name. I am giving the name of N. Each and every point should be given, should have to give a name. So each and every point you have to give name. So here already CD, they told that you have to make a line of CD. So there CD, I have made a line. Then take point M on the line. On line पे M as a point लेना है. Then with the help of the protector, you have to keep here. Then take 90°. 90° लेने के बाद you have to draw a line. And that line should also give a name, that is N. So here line M. This line M is perpendicular to line CD with the help of the protector. See, I have explained you with the help of the protector, with the help of the compass, and with the help of the construction.
Now practice set 40. First question. Draw line L, take point P anywhere outside the line. See, in the first question it was on the line. Now here you have to take point P anywhere outside the line using a set square. Using a set square, you have to draw line PQ perpendicular to line L. Same sum but little different. It was inside, now it is outside. You have to draw the line, draw the point P. I will show you how to construct it. Now you have to draw a line. Draw a line. Name of that line is line L. Name of that line is line L. Then you have to take a point P outside. Outside wherever you want to take, but it's in front of that line L. So I have taken here point P. Now with the help of this set square, you have to draw a line from P. See, wherever you have taken point P, there you have to draw a line. Same thing, but it was different. First term you have taken line P here on the line, but now here outside the line. Same, it is how much degree? It is 90° because it is a right angle triangle. And you have to give the name also here, that is PQ. So line L is perpendicular to line PQ. Line L is perpendicular to line PQ. I hope you people have understood. Now the second sum, you have to draw a line AB. Line AB you have to draw. Then you have to take point M anywhere outside the line. Outside the line you have to take point M. Then using the compass and the ruler, you have to draw a line MN perpendicular to AB. See, same thing, but you have to take outside the point N. So we have to construct this with the help of a compass. The same, first you have to draw a line AB, then more than half arc cut करना है, then upper also you have to make arc cutting, join that line and name that line as M, and it's outside, so it is drawn outside only, that is M. And then next line you have to give the name, that is N. So AB should be perpendicular to line and N. I will show you how to construct it. You have to draw a line. Name of that line will be A, B. Name of that line is AB. Then with the help of compass, what you have to do? More than half. Half take. This is half. More than half you have to take. Then you have to draw an arc. And same from A point, you have to make one arc. Afterwards, from here, this point, you are going to make one arc over upper also, down also, up also, down also. Then same thing here also, up, down. Then you can see over here, there is a cutting. See here also cut point, here also cut point. Then join that line. This middle point and this middle point you have to join it. Here you are going to give the name, that is M, N. And this cutting also you are going to give name P, Q. I told each and every cutting should have a name. So here PQ, here MN. So line AB. Line AB is perpendicular to line MN. Line AB is perpendicular to line MN. Once again, I will explain you like this only. See, first you have to draw a line, name that line AB. Then with the help of compass, more than half से ज़्यादा, more than half you have to take and you have to cut one line from A. Then from B also you have to cut a line. And afterward you have to take that cutting up arc and then down arc. Then same from here also, up arc and then down arc. Then there will be a point joining over here. Join that line. Write the name, that is M, that is ABC. Outside में है M. So AB line का outside is M. Name that M. So here AB is perpendicular to line MN. Now the last question, third one, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. See, in this term, it is given you have to draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter only. See, measurement is, you have to take that measurement. If it is not given, you are not going to take any measurement. Any measurement you can take. Now here measurement is given AB of 5.5 centimeters. Then bisect it using a compass and ruler. Bisect it means you have to draw a perpendicular line only with the help of ruler and compass. Now ruler means scale and compass means the thing which I am showing you. So we are going to construct this line AB, that is of 5.5 centimeter, with the help of compass and ruler. Here you have to use this ruler and compass. Now first you have to draw a line of measurement 5.5. The measurement is given, so you have to take a line that is of 5.5 only. 0 से लेके 5 उसके आगे 5 points only. So 5.5 you have to construct a line. Name of that line is AB. How much measurement you have taken? 5.5 centimeter. So you have to write all that thing. AB is a line of 5.5 centimeter. With the help of the compass, you have to bisect it. Now here, same process. You have to put on P more than half. More than half you have to take. You have to draw a cutting arc. Then from here also you have to draw a cutting arc. Then here, from here you have to take one arc upside and also downside. Then here also you have to take, cut it upside also and downside also. Then join this line. Join this line. Name all the things. If it is A, B, then C, D, E, F. You have to name all that, cutting all that points. Is it clear? So here we have completed our chapter.